Hey, I'm back, and I know it's been a while, and I know some videos aren't up anymore, but it's okay, because we got this. Let's see. I went shopping today, and I bought eyeliner. Look at it. It looks good, yeah. I bought a game. Well, I should say my dad bought it, and it's like Two Worlds. It's like all this medieval. Oh my gosh, it makes me mad. It is stubborn. Well, I just want to say hi, and I'm sick. I got a major cough, and it sucks because guess who's singing tomorrow? Yay. I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and hopefully I'll make another video by Thanksgiving, because you want to see my face. Oh, and I recently got my photos taken from my mother. Yeah. Woo! And yeah, so I'll see you again,